to be honest. I've never seen this before. I hope I got it on tape, because there was a flying fish flying straight over my head, over the boat, and landed on the other side. That's crazy. Well, he survived at least. In a couple of miles, I'm halfway, I think. I mean, it's kind of hard to know what halfway is. Depends on how much of a detour I take before. So, yeah, I'm around halfway, and it's day 19. And, yeah, we do some lovely surfs, as you saw there. And catching some fish. Today I caught one tuna, and 4 kilo tuna. And one mahi-mahi. So now I can't fish anymore. I need to eat it first. That's a delightful problem. I still have my buddy boats on the same, we're going the same speed. It's lovely. So we're around 50 to 200 miles apart. I just had a big meal of mahi-mahi, so I'm gonna have a nap, I guess. Not much to say, just I'm enjoying life right now, and that's lovely. Yeah, so in a bit more than 1 hour I have to face this. I don't really know, I think it's a big net from a kind of a Chinese fishing factory or something. I've seen these things before, but the symbols here, this is looks like scrambled, like something weird I haven't seen before. I mean, it's not a normal symbol from CMAP. It says something like buoy and then the number. But yeah, if there's a wire in between these things, I'm not very confident about this, but I'm gonna try and just pass through there. I guess that's the only thing I can do. Some more kaffe. Så vi kan läsa det idag. Time for morning coffee. See if we can make it today. It's pretty rough outside, but nothing we can't handle here. We're used to it. It's around 22 knots of wind, but the seas are like very squarish. Not what I expected when I woke up. Yeah, we can see, let's see, we have 1,550 left to go to Fatu Hiva. Steering perfectly on target, making around 5 to 7 knots. I triple reefed the main yesterday, and I think we have 2 reefs in the jib. No, sorry, in the general. If this gets any worse, I'll change it to the jib. She's better balanced with the inner jib there. sorry if I'm a bit like, because I just woke up. And yeah, this is usually where I spend my days when the shade comes in. Today's 24. I wish I had 24 pillows, you know. The cushions, the wind is up again. It's around 20 knots. So we're making good speed, to say the least. We have around, I think it is 1,512 or something nautical miles now to Fatu Hiva. So I can almost smell it. It's just 10 days away. Or 11. I don't know. Yeah. See, it's a beautiful place today. See if you can see something here. And my friend the booby bird is gone on his fishing round, I guess. It's noon, so he had to have some lunch, I guess. He'll be back. This is my life nowadays. There's not really much to do. It's just lovely weather, downwind, wing on wing, and stay in the shade. Right now I have a Swedish old radio show on to pass some time. Yeah, I mean, I've got like 1,380 miles to go, so around 9 days, I think. Something like that. 10 days maybe. No fish yet today. We have lovely surf though, around 9 to 11 knots in the surf. It's day 27 and the wind is up around, not that much, 19 knots of wind. Yeah, what to say? I'm making lunch. It's gonna be spaghetti and tuna, of course. So one of the main travelers is broken or has come loose from the mast, so I have to take down the sail and see if I can repair it. Looks like it's just a screw came loose, so it's doable. I'm happy about that because I'm 1,200 miles from nothing. It's just this thingy here. I have to get in. It's not much more I can do right now, but it looks a hell of a lot better. The wind is boring, it's just the wrong direction, so I can't have a beam reach, can't go downwind. I need to run her approximately around 260 degrees, and I can manage like 300 or 230. I don't know why. It must be the waves that interferes with the wind. So I mean, there's not a lot of wind right now. That might be it. Oh well, back to the cockpit. Good morning. It's I think it's almost 5 o'clock. I just went through 1 hour of thunderstorm. It was a squall from hell. Not much wind, just around the 30s. But the rain, it was torrential. It just poured out like... It was like when I was diving in a waterfall in Martinique. It's crazy amounts of water. And then the thunder started. No fun. Yeah, and I was in my underwear out in it. I couldn't do anything. So now I got long pants and a dry shirt. Feels good. Just hoping for the wind to stabilize so I can go to bed again. I can see the thunder and the lightning in the distance still. But hopefully it's not coming back. I don't think so. Yeah, I guess there's not much for you to see out there. Tonight it's squall watch again, or more lightning watch, because today there was a big squall coming, but I managed to squeeze in just, you know, in between them. So I got some wind, but not much rain. This time I prepared though, because yesterday it was horrible. I had no time, and I woke up and it happened so sudden. So I stood out in the rain and wind for like an hour, almost naked, just in my underwear and my harness and my tether. But now everything is good. I reefed down, and now I'm sitting here waiting for it to become worse. It went up and it went down, and now here I am, very well dressed. So wasn't that bad. We reached 28 knots of wind, I think, and then it just boom, and not much rain at all. So we'll see. I'll stay out here for a while more, and then I go inside again and try to finish my movie. This is, I guess, the end of day 28. Yeah. This one, number 2 for tonight, got a bit more serious quick. So I forgot the camera, of course, but we're good. We reefed down to we have one left. Managed to keep the same course and speed, I guess, a bit more speed. Lots of rain, but not like yesterday. That was crazy. Yeah, I can hear it now from the wind turbine. Tells me like, oh yeah, the wind is down a lot now. So I guess the worst is over. I guess a little bit more than 1 hour between these two, so I hope it's over for tonight now, because I can't go on like this. I need to sleep also. It's tiresome sailing the Pacific. It's not very Pacific, you know. It's quite the opposite for me, at least. Most of them are very small, but there is around 10 to 20 every morning, even though now it's noon because I've been lazy. This is one of the smaller models, I think. Bye-bye. Sometimes they're here. No. Yeah, so today it's day 29 at sea. It's end of March. No, yes it is. It's the 26th of March. And yeah, we're at 122 west. So we're making progress. I think we have about a week left to Fatu Hiva. It's 960 something miles left to go. Even though it's quite rough seas and windy, I actually, knock on wood, but I can have the hatch open here. So you can see the mess inside. It's a horrible mess. But yeah. Day 32 now. We have just above 600 miles to go to the Marquesas. The wind is pretty much easterly, so I go wing on wing and a bit north, so I get a better approach when I come closer. Yeah, what to say? I mean, it's like Groundhog Day every day here. Punxsutawney Phil seems to think it's winter still. So we go on. We're making around 5-6 knots, sometimes 4.5. So not very fast, but it's a weird feeling. I'm not stressed about getting there. I'm not really in a hurry. I like it. In a way, I don't want it to end. If I had nice food on board, I could go on. But yeah, as it is now, it would be nice with a flat anchorage, or at least a bit flatter than this, to be able to put the coffee on the table and just relax. That's not really an option now. So I guess we have about 5 days, and then we're there, and you'll see. Bay of Virgins is my goal. My destination. Even though Wind Vane have those goosenecks barnacles on now. Yeah, I forgot about the camera for a couple of days. Yeah, we have just above 630 miles to go with the Marquesa route. Surfs are good. A bit rolly because we go wing on wing. I hope you can hear me here. I kind of like it up here. So for me, I'm really not in a hurry to get there. Even though, make no mistake, it would be nice because I'd love some fresh food and also some company, I guess. But it's been really nice and good for me, I think, to just be out here. Just that one, of course. Yeah, and boobies also, but boobies are more rare now. A few dolphins. Otherwise, it's just me and waves and the squalls. Had some squalls with thunder in them. So at night, usually I sail only with the pulled out Genoa and jib, so I can just easily fix the sail area and go with what fits best. Because if I have the main also, you have to have some reaction time when you wake up, feel that there is something going on, and then up and reef. So it's faster, and since I'm not in a hurry, I don't care that the boat is going a bit slower during night. It just feels safer, I guess. We have a WhatsApp group. They've been talking for 2 weeks now about getting there, and they miss land and all that, but I can't really say that I feel the same. It's day 34 and we're flying for with only the Genoa and a small portion of the jib up. The sea state is very nice, it's gentle today. Yeah, we're tagging along nicely. It's quite easterly winds, so we're aiming straight at Fatu Hiva now with only 420 miles to go. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. So this is what it looks like today. Isn't it always like that? It slows down. Everything just whoop when you try to show something. Oh well, but it's a nice day. I'm spending my days still drinking coffee, reading books, thinking a lot. And not planning ahead a lot, I guess. And I like that. So we'll see what happens when I get there and what the plans will be and how things are gonna develop where I'm going. Because I don't know. Less than 100 miles to go. I'm just gonna put some fuel in as a safety precaution. I don't want to get into the Bay of Virgins and have the engine stop just because I don't really know, but I think there's like 50 liters left in the tank, but just to be on the safe side. We're going pretty slow now, but I don't care. It will soon come to an end and then I will miss it. It's the last night at sea that's coming. We have around, no, we have 62 miles left to Fatu Hiva. Yeah, there you are! Did you see him? He stretched his wings. This is where I've spent most of my time during this voyage. 37 days something. Sitting here. Every minute. I'm here, Bay of Virgins, Fatu Hiva.